and welcome back to another origami craft corner time. Last time we did these cute little foxes. They're still cute. Today we're doing these fish. Just go ahead and move him. Maybe right there. So again, what you'll need is perfectly square paper, whether it's actual origami paper or you're just cutting your own paper into perfect squares. It can be any color. It can be plain white if that's all you have around the house. Fish come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, so that part doesn't really matter. And even if they were like our foxes, we had a pink fox, an orange fox, and a black fox, and I've done blue foxes and green foxes. Let your imagination just run wild. They're cute no matter what color you choose. Okay, so we have our square, and we're gonna fold it in half and unfold it twice to make our creases. So first we'll fold it, this time edge to edge instead of corner to corner. So folding it in half once, and then unfold it, and then folding it in half a second time. And you really want to make sure that those corners meet up with each other before creasing it. Alright, so you should have 2 full creases, breaking your one big square into 4 smaller squares. Now just pick a side. I'm going to start from this bottom side, and we're going to fold our corners in to meet the center corner. So again, I'm doing the bottom sides. I'm doing this corner and this corner. Okay, so now it should look like this. You have 2 perfect squares over here, and then these 2 corners over here. And then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing from this other side. Only, yeah, no, we're going to do the same things from the other side. So corner to center. I'm just going to turn it. So now it kind of looks like an envelope. And then corner to center. So all we've done is turn our large square into a slightly smaller square. Alright, so now we're going to fold again. So we want to keep 2 triangles as they are here. So we're going to take from this corner over here and fold it so that this corner and this edge come in to meet the center here, like this. And then you're going to take this corner and fold it and then we're going to take this corner and fold it in like this. So they're the same folds. Now you have this kind of kite looking deal. And then you're going to take, so when you lift this up a little bit, away from like the pointed folds that are here, there's the back fold that's part of the kite tail. You're going to take that piece out and bend it up like that. And then you're going to do the same thing from the other side. And then we're just gonna, so all this that we just kind of untucked and folded, we're just gonna fold that in half so that it meets right where our other folds are. So you'll have a little open crease here, 2 folds there, an isosceles triangle, and then 2 obtuse triangles, although this one came out a little wackadoodle. And then you're just gonna flip it over. See what happens when we don't do even folds. Now our tail's a little wackadoodle, but that's okay. It'll be like Nemo's fin. And then what I like to do is to just do a little 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, and then little extra scales. And then right here, we'll put his eye mostly above this crease. And now, you've got little fish friends. Maybe going in different directions, and one's above and one's below, and you can make all kinds of fish friends in different colors. And yeah, that's all for today. Now you know how to make foxes and fish, and I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time.